Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Today we're going to do an after of 18A Hardy Street in New Brighton. We did it before about mid-November last year, so it'll be on the We Buy Homes website, but this is the after. So as you can see, we've painted the roof up here, we've planted some new lawn, a little bit of garden. We've obviously completely replaced the fence over here and given the place a really good tidy up, really good paint. We'll shoot inside, or first, in fact, we'll go first into the garage. As we're doing that, a little bit of planting down the garden here as well. We barked it, we put an edging on here. And then in the garage we completely cleaned that up, obviously got everything else that was in there out of there, painted the floor, painted the inside of the garage, re-jibbed some of the roof, painted and plastered so nice and fresh and clean. Okay, we'll shoot inside. Okay, previously there was a wall here. We knocked that wall out, we completely gutted the kitchen. We've obviously painted and plastered throughout, new carpet, new lino, as I said, new kitchen, roll the blinds, put some appliances in, fridge yet to go in, and then into the bedrooms. So master bedroom, carpet, paint, plaster, roll the blinds, cleaned everything up, nice and clean. Same deal in the spare bedroom, carpet, paint, plaster, giving it a really good tidy up. And then new toilet, new lino in here, and then in the bathroom put a new vanity in, cleaned the existing shower up, lino, paint and plaster, everything else, so we've really tidied this place up as well. We have yet to put a mirror on the wall, over there. The mirror wasn't quite the right size, so we're getting that done today, so that'll go up shortly. And then we'll just have one more shot outside. Bear with me as I open this up. Come on out. So here we Rachel had the lawn, we put some new lawn down, of course tidied the fences up, put a new gate in there, put some new garden, bits and pieces, and really tidied the place up. So that's the after of 18A Hardy Street. Yeah, that's it. Quite a contrast. In probably about 6 to 7 weeks we've turned this around, with probably a couple of weeks over Christmas as well. So go and check the other one and have a comparison before and after.